Welcome back to Importo Cup channel, where stock is always boring. My name is KBH. Today guys, I have a Mercedes-Benz G63 build with me. Let me start all over again. I have a G63 build with me. I'll show you guys all the mods that I did to this car. Let's check it out. To start things off, this G63 build is sporting a full TopCar Inferno widebody kit program. I changed the whole front bumper to this TopCar Design front bumper, painted it matte white. Can you believe this is stock matte white color from Mercedes-Benz? Then left the carbon fiber parts exposed. It's in glossy and twill carbon fiber material. So yeah, the DRL's here. Then the front spoiler is fully exposed carbon fiber as well. Next up, we have this hood from TopCar. This is all in carbon fiber. It arrived in exposed carbon fiber, but we painted it matte white. So this is a true and real carbon fiber vented hood. So most of the aftermarket brands that you see around, it's only an attachment. But this one, the vents are functional. So it cools down the V8 twin turbo Benz engine. For the performance aspect of this car, it's completely stock. We didn't even tune, we didn't put Venturi intake system. This car just has a Akrapovič titanium exhaust. So yeah, I'll let you guys hear the Akrapovič exhaust now. This is in Sports Plus mode. Sounds so good. I love the backfires. I always love the backfires of this car, especially with the Akrapovič exhaust. Crispy. The side of this car features this full wide body fenders from TopCar. It's painted in matte white, then we left it in visible exposed carbon fiber. So the design integrates from the front bumper all the way to the back to the side sills. It's all carbon fiber. So even the side panels with the matching TopCar logo. Then even the trims are real carbon fiber, guys. So this is not just an add-on or a sticker. This is all real carbon fiber. Now, since we've widened the car, we need the right wheels to match it. So I've installed the AL13 fully forged, made in the USA. It's called the 109R series. It's a 4-piece wheel design. So you have this centers, finished in brushed aluminum gloss. We have the inner lip and the outer lip, then the carbon fiber aero disc. I actually have the same setup on my G63. My client loved how my G63 looked and he copied the wheel design. But finish in a different color. We put the red accents, as you can see, to match the caliper. The tires that we're running on this car is a Continental. The size is a true wide body setup. So the fronts are 295/30 24s, and at the back it's 335/30 24s. For the suspension of this G63, I installed the H&R springs. It lowered the car around 1.5 inches. Well, for me, I believe with this setup, with a 24-inch setup with a wide body, a G63 should be lowered, like should have the proper stance to it, and I think I achieved the look that I want for this car. As per performance and ride comfort, when you lower a G63, for me it's okay. I mean, it's quite bumpy, but not as bumpy as like the previous generation G63. It still rides good, and I mean, with the looks that you get with the suspension mod, I highly recommend you guys doing it as well. Lastly, we have this TopCar Inferno rear bumper. Painted it matte white, left the visible carbon fiber exposed. So the rear diffuser is in exposed carbon fiber as well. So yeah, you have this option with TopCar that you can buy the carbon fiber roof spoiler. The customer didn't want that option because he wants it clean when it comes to the top part of the car. Also, you have the option of doing this in carbon fiber, but the customer wanted the Benz logo to be visible and not the TopCar shark logo. I think this is my favorite part of the car. Looks so aggressive, and actually it complements the boxy look of the car. So there you have it with this G63 build. Let us know what you think about this build in the comment section. Like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Goodbye.